What's up, advocates and policyholders? And today I want to teach you what mitigation is. Mitigation could be construed as a couple of different things, but I really want to break down exactly what needs to be done in order to actually abide by your post-loss obligations. In your insurance policy, it specifically states that you must mitigate your damages, which mitigation, what it actually means is to stop your damage from getting worse. And there's several ways that you can do this. You'll be surprised. It's not just one way. So I'm just going to get right into it. Listen up, advocates. Whether you're a public adjuster, contractor, or an attorney, if you have a client that has suffered any kind of catastrophic loss, whether that be by fire or storm or just any catastrophic loss that requires your client to have to move out and incur ALE and loss of use coverage, you need to think about looking at Black Diamond Services. This is an incredible idea for a service that I think is extremely valuable, and I've actually personally used for my clients myself. Basically, what they do is they provide all of the necessary money that is needed to be done for the homeowner to go and move to another place, whether that be a hotel or another home or whatever it is. They basically bill through their insurance policy's loss of use coverage, and basically they provide financial assistance so that the insured never has to incur any out-of-pocket expenses. It's an amazing service. I love the people at Black Diamond Services, especially Millie Varela. If you just contact her and contact Black Diamond Services, I'm telling you, they're going to take care of your clients like you wouldn't believe. I personally have a client who suffered a fire damage and had to use their ALE coverage, and all we did was refer them to Black Diamond. Our clients did not have to come out of pocket a single penny. Black Diamond provided all of the financial money, and they provided the actual location for the homeowner to stay. Amazing service. Contact Black Diamond Services today so you could find out more information for yourself. Mitigation, like I said, is stopping the damage from getting worse. Number one, when you think mitigation or restoration, usually it's drying something out or putting a tarp up. So the first thing is in mitigation is if you do have a water loss and there's water all over, it's simply drying up everything. Now, you can do this yourself. You can dry up everything yourself. You can get all the towels in your house and you could just suck up everything and dry everything up as quickly as possible, which you should do, okay? But a lot of people, what mitigation people think is you actually hire a company to come out and mitigate the damages. And what mitigating the damages is setting up machines, setting up blowers, setting up dehumidifiers to make sure that not only are you drying it out, but you're drying it out from within. Because we all know what could happen is if there's too much water there and it really soaks in there, then what could happen, frankly, is mold starts growing and that water never gets out. So proper mitigation, all right, if you have a severe water loss, is going to actually be to call a company to set up machines and dry it out internally. Another way of mitigating is if you have a roof leak, right, or you've got some roof damage. What is mitigating? Putting a tarp up to stop the water from coming in, putting a tarp up to stop the roof from getting damaged more. That is mitigation. Another way of mitigation to your roof is doing a minor repair. If you do a minor repair, well, guess what? You have fixed the problem and you have stopped it from getting worse. One of the easiest ways of mitigation is literally stop using it, okay? So if you have a shower pan leak, stop using your shower. If you have a supply line burst where the water bursts, turn off the water. Simply by turning off the water, you have mitigated your damages. What else? If you do a repair to the pipe, again, it goes back to a small repair. If you do a small repair to the pipe, guess what? You have repaired it, you've stopped the damage from making it worse. But make sure that if you do a repair to the roof or to a pipe, that you keep whatever broken thing that you fix. So that broken piece of the pipe, keep it. The shingles that are messed up that's causing the leak, keep it, because you want to show the insurance company. Also, part of your post-loss obligations, not to do with this video, is you need to show the damaged stuff to the insurance company. So mitigating your damage could be a numerous amount of things, but just make sure that you're doing it. Make sure that you're stopping the damage from getting worse. It's very important. Many people come in and they think that they can't touch anything and they have to let the insurance company see it. Frankly, it's more important that you stop the damage from getting worse. So if you've dried up everything in your house after a water loss, but you can still see that there's water underneath, you need to hire a company to properly dry it out, okay? If you've put a tarp up on your roof, but you still see water coming in, you need to call that roofing company or whoever it is to make a minor repair. Just make sure that you photograph everything. It's very important. As soon as a water loss occurs, photograph it. As soon as a roof leak occurs, photograph it. And then after you do the mitigation, photograph it again. It's very important that you show as much evidence and as much documentation to the insurance company as possible. So that's it, guys. Mitigation, it's very simple. That's what it is to mitigate your damages. You have to stop the damage from getting worse. I'm sure there's other ways that I didn't mention, because whatever it is, the fact is you stop the damage from getting worse. Turn off the water. Stop using the shower. Stop using the drain line if there's a drain line backup. Do minor repairs, or hire a company to dry it out. Put a tarp up. Those are just some of the different ways you can mitigate your damages. I'm Vince Perry. I'm the commercial claims advocate, owner and CEO of Elite Resolutions. We are a public adjusting firm, and we're here to look out for you to make sure you're doing everything that you have to do. As a commercial claims advocate, we've got this PA handbook, and we train public adjusters all over the country to make sure that they're doing a good job for the policyholder as well. You can go on eliteresolutions.com or commercialclaimsadvocate.com for more information. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck out there.